Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special and uniquely Korean Hanwoo beef and some of the delicious dishes you can enjoy at a traditional Korean, gyeopsang or offal restaurant. Hanwoo is a premium beef that's highly prized in Korea for its rich flavor and tenderness, and Koreans just love it. But that's not all. We're also going to talk about some other delicacies like grilled liver, tripe, sweetbreads, and heart. These might sound a bit unusual if you're not from Korea. But trust me, they are delicious. So let's start with Hanwoo. Hanwoo beef is known for its incredible quality. It's more expensive than other types of beef, but that's because it's considered one of the best in the world. The meat is well marbled, tender, and has a deep, rich flavor. Koreans love it for its natural taste and that perfect balance of lean meat and fat. When you take a bite, you'll notice that it's juicy and has a slightly nutty, buttery flavor that's just amazing. One of the best ways to enjoy Hanwoo is simply grilled. In Korea, we often grill it at the table and eat it with a bit of salt, sometimes dipping it in sesame oil or soy sauce with wasabi. The goal is to keep it simple so you can really taste the quality of the meat. And of course, it's usually enjoyed with a variety of side dishes or banchan that complement the beef perfectly. Now let's talk about what else you can find at a typical Korean gyeopsang restaurant. If you're adventurous and looking to try something new, this is where you want to be. Korean gyeopsang, which is beef or pork intestines, is a popular dish that's often grilled or stir-fried. But there's more to explore beyond gyeopsang itself. First up, we have grilled liver or sogengae in Korean. Now, liver might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of a meal. But in Korea, it's a beloved delicacy. The liver is sliced thinly and grilled until it's just right. The pros: it has a very rich, almost creamy texture, and it's packed with nutrients like iron and vitamins. Plus, it pairs really well with a bit of salt and sesame oil. The con: it's got a bit of a strong flavor that might take some getting used to. But once you do, it's really satisfying. Next, we have grilled tripe or soyengae. Tripe is the stomach lining, and it has a chewy texture that Koreans absolutely love. When grilled, it develops a nice crispiness on the outside, while staying tender on the inside. The flavor is mild, so it takes on the taste of the seasoning or dipping sauces you use. The pros: it's a unique texture experience that's different from regular meat cuts, and it's often enjoyed with a spicy dipping sauce or a bit of gochujang, Korean red pepper paste, for a kick. The con: the texture might be a bit unusual if you're not used to it, but it's definitely worth trying. Then we have grilled sweetbreads or sachaniup. Sweetbreads are actually the thymus or pancreas of the animal, and they're a real treat. They're tender and have a subtle flavor, almost like a very delicate cut of meat. When grilled, they're slightly crispy on the outside, but melt in your mouth tender on the inside. The pros: sweetbreads are considered a delicacy, and they're incredibly rich and flavorful. The con: like the liver, the idea of eating sweetbreads might be a bit intimidating, but they're surprisingly mild and delicious. Lastly, we have grilled heart or yamtonggae. The heart is a muscle, so it has a texture similar to a very lean steak. When grilled, it's firm and has a slightly chewy texture, but it's also very juicy and has a mild, almost sweet flavor. The pros: it's high in protein and low in fat, making it a great choice if you're looking for something leaner. The con: The texture might be a bit different from what you're used to, but it's a fantastic way to try something new. So there you have it, a taste of some of the delicious and unique dishes you can find at a traditional Korean gochujang restaurant. Featuring the star of the show, Hanwoo beef. Whether you're a fan of classic cuts or ready to explore some new flavors, there's something for everyone. I hope this gives you a little insight into why Koreans love these dishes so much. If you ever get the chance to try them, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've tried any of these dishes, or if there's something else you'd like to see.